Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the pronunciation of the days of the month in English. Last week, I taught you the pronunciation of the months of the year. If you missed that video, please go back and practice that one first. You can find that video here. Before we begin, if you haven't done so yet, please smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice the dates of the month together. Let's give it a try. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31st. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of our other videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.